And we are back because chocolate is meant to have a kick. It all started with the love of spicy foods and chocolate.
Two things you might not think to put together, but we have definitely put it together.
Bryan Chiarappi is here of Willy Pete's Chocolate Company, and he is telling about his special chocolate, but actually that went viral. This is what allowed you to leave your day job when you created this thing. Yep. What is this bar?
That's the mother of all bars.
I love it, the Moab.
The Moab.
That's fantastic.
And he comes with a warning. Like we said, oh, should we try it on air? And he said, no.
No.
Not even a sliver of it.
It could ruin your day.
It really could ruin your day.
Yeah.
But why do people love it then so much?
Spicy food in the past couple of years has kind of really just taken this big kick, and people keep challenging each other to take it to the next level.
Does it smell?
It might. It's heavy too. It's a half-pound bar.
The smell alone would put hair back on my chest.
Wait, there's a scale on this. Okay, the Scoville scale, and this comes to danger. So you actually are warning people.
Oh yeah.
You're going to be at a festival this weekend. You're not handing this out.
No. You don't want people running and crying.
Yeah.
Speaking of the festival, it's the Garlic Fest, right?
Yes.
And where is that again?
It's in Bethlehem, Connecticut.
Bethlehem, Connecticcut. You're going to be there all weekend, which is just terrific. And you're also raising some money.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about that.
We've got the call for backup bar here. $1 from every bar sold is going to go to the Call for Backup charity to raise money for suicide prevention with first responders and like EMS, military police.
Thank you for doing that.
And you've got the veteran crisis line in the back. And you're a veteran yourself?
I am, yes.
So what made you just decide to, say, leave your day job and make chocolate?
It was all for the love of spicy foods. I started growing peppers, and one year I had too many and ran out of ideas to
put them into recipes.
Yep.
So you said, let's throw them in chocolate.
Yep.
All right, so are most of these non-edible for Kara and I?
This one here has no heat.
No heat.
So I would recommend, if you wanted to try one, this one has coffee, rum, and cherries in it.
And this one's milk chocolate with Aji lemon drops and strawberry pop rocks. Like that doesn't sound.
That one's awesome. They
doesn't sound too crazy.
They pop off in your mouth.
And
I'm gonna try that one.
Where are they made?
I make them out of a commercial kitchen in Canton, but I am located in Harlington, Connecticut.
So I'm not afraid to eat this one.
No, there's no heat. The one she's eating has some heat to it.
But the pop rocks, you know how pop rocks talk to you?
Yeah.
They're talking.
Yeah.
Wow,
So you're going to get all the flavor up front, and then the heat's going to kick in at the end. So
it really is incredible. It's kind of like this. Well, you said that you were sort of inspired by Willy Wonka.
Yeah.
With some of this.
Oh, yeah.
And it reminds me of that, you know, when they're in the factory and they're chewing, they're like, I taste this, and then the mashed potatoes, and then the blueberries.
Taste like schnozberries.
Yeah. It's like the flavors just keep coming.
Yep.
Now, is it dark chocolate, milk chocolate, all kinds of chocolate?
I got all three. I got dark milk and white chocolate.
Do you taste any spiciness out of this, Kara?
A little bit. Mostly I taste the Pop Rocks.
Pop Rocks, okay.
A little bit of heat with Pop Rocks, if I can. It's kind of hard to explain.
Yeah. It's all you get all the flavor up front, though, so it doesn't, like, attack you right off the bat.
It's so good.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Pop Rocks sometimes
This one,
will last,
though,
like
no
5
heat.
minutes.
That's really
This one with the chocolate and the coffee together and the cherries, this is great. This is like, you could eat this for breakfast and it feels like coffee.
You get a little caffeine kick.
Now the heat's kicking in, right?
Now, this one
so
over here,
spiciness is kicking in.
that one actually has ghost peppers in it.
Yes.
Woo!
That's scary. I had ghost peppers on the show one time and I had to leave. I started crying.
Yeah, they're hot. It's not overbearing, but it's definitely hot. It's
so this is between mild and hot. I can only, and my mouth is like kind of popping, rocking here. Yeah. I can only imagine.
Dude, the Pop Rocks talk to you. It's like back in the day.
I can only imagine what this is. This tastes like.
I know you. You're like, let me see. Can I do it? But he's warned us not to try it.
Well, I think either maybe Haynes or Rich, the behind the scenes guys, you want to try it? Because we can't. We have to do the rest of the show.
Nobody.
You sure?
Okay. What about before we go? This one's This one's also very. This is beyond this one.
Yes, that one is.
This one is Nemesis, dark chocolate with peanut butter toffee bits and Carolina Reapers. But this had its own scale.
It's 5 times hotter.
I can't even say that on TV.
Oh, really?
It's hot.
It's hot, baby.
Yeah, I think only 5 people have completed the challenge.
And did they get sick afterward?
I would imagine.
Why do you want to do this to yourself?
I don't know, but it sounds like fun. And you're going to get to meet the team at the Garlic Festival. Again, that's in Bethlehem.
Yep.
Bethlehem, Connecticut. That this week. To order chocolate from Willy Pete's, head to willypeteschocolate.com. I'm literally feeling this, the heat. And that's very mild compared to some of the other products.
Yeah, that's more like just a little spice.
Whew.
Okay.